Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Let's solve the problem valid square. Given the coordinates of 4 points in 2D space, written whether the 4 points could construct a square. The coordinate x comma y of a point is represented by an integer array with two integers. So 4 points is p1, p2, p3, p4 with their xy coordinate in the Cartesian plane, and we have to check whether these 4 points is constructing a valid square or not. So first we should know the properties of valid square. If we don't know, it is also given here, like all the 4 sides of a square is equals, positive length and 4 equal angles of 90 degrees. So how we will solve this problem? So as you can see, the constraint is minus 10 to the power 4 2 plus 10 to the power 4. So if we subtract it will become 2 into 10 to the power 4, and if we do square, that will become 4 into 10 to the power 8. So it is still under the integer maximum value. So we can, so let's first draw the points here. So this is one point our, let's say any random p1, another point over here 1 comma 0, which is let's say p2, another point is over here p3, which is 1 comma 1, and another point is p4, which here. So if we see these 4 points, all the sides distance is 1, and the corresponding distances between these two diagonals, it will be root 2 and equal. So which is a side square. So if the side of our square is d, then the diagonal is root 2d. So if you see, we have two different distances out of these total 6 distances. So for this distance of the sides is equal and two diagonal distance is equal. So what we will do, like straightforward solution for solving this problem, first of all we will calculate all the distance square, like p1, p2, p2, p3, p3, p4, then p1, p3, p1, p4. So from other all the points, and p2, p4. So these are the 6 pair of distance we will calculate of these 6 sides, like 4 sides of a square and 2 diagonals, and then we can check with lots of if else if conditions, like 4 which have same distance and 2 has root 2 of that distance and equal. So the easy way of checking this is we put this all 6 in a data structure which is SAT. If we put this in SAT, what will happen? This all 4 distance of equal will become a one entry in set, and these two distance of equal diagonal distance will become another one entry. So if we check the set size is 2, then we can say that it is a square. But there is a corner case, like if we get 3 points, let's say over here, all the p1, p2, p3 as origin, p1, p2 and p3, all 3 is like 0 comma 0, and p4 is the point is at 1 comma 1. So if we see what will happen, p1, p4, p2, p4, p3, p4, the distance will be the same, which will be 1, and then p1, p2, p2, p3 will become 0, and p3, p4. So if we try to calculate these all 6, here we will get 2, like one distance is 0 and one distance is 1 square plus 1 square, which is root 2. So hence we will have 2. So this is the case, even this 4 points is not constructing the square. So we need to check if we have distance in our set the value 0, that case that will not form the square. So just pause the video and try to code yourself first. So for coding part, let me create a helper method. So which is, let's say, write as a command distance square. So I will write a basically shorthand code here, like private int ds will get 2 point a and v, and then we just return the distance square, which will be a0 minus b0, the x coordinates, and then take the square of these, so multiply it 2 times, similarly plus the y coordinates of both the points and multiply these 2 as a 2 times. So this method will give us a distance square. Then we will make use of the distance square and construct all the pair of values. So first we can construct like this pair of value and also add into the set. So we will use a set integer of set is equals to new hash set, Now we will add set dot add the distance between square of P1 and P2, then P1 and P3, then P1 and P4. After that we will add P2 and P3, copy this, then P2 and P4, and another last is P3 and P4. So these are the 4 sides, like 2 diagonals and 4 sides we calculated and added all in the square. Now we will just check and return the if set contains 0 means it's not form, not contains 0, and set dot size is 2. So which means it is a square, otherwise it will return the false. So let's see whether it is compiling for this. Oh, there is a typo in which line? Line number expected this. Is that this is the typo. So here we need to close this and then put this basis. Once it's done, let's also test another test case where, as we understand, all the 3 points are 0, 0 and 1 point is 1, 1. Let's see. That should not form the square and we should get expected answer. DS P1, P2, P3, P4, it's like cannot convert it into set dot add. P1, there are lots of some data type issue. Let's see what is the problem. Yeah, that is the problem. So let's see. So it is seems like compiled and we are getting a, if it is contains 0, this should be 2, it's too much typo. So yeah, it's working now. Let's submit the code and it is accepted. So this is the solution, and you can also remove these lots of line and use arrays as list and put all in comma separated these 6 values and make it as one line if you will love to write a code in sorter. So if you like this solution, hit the like button and subscribe button. And the time complexity and space complexity, as you can see, we are just doing few operations, which is all our constant number of operations. So hence the time and space complexity both is O of 1.